In this work, we have developed a novel method for capturing multispectral videos of scenes using multiplexed illumination. Here we see a multispectral video captured by our method. The 4 plots show the spectral reflectances measured at different pixels in the video. Such a multispectral video enables one to relight the scene with a wide variety of illumination spectra. Here we see the relit video where the illumination spectrum shown in the right is being varied smoothly from incandescent to fluorescent to blue light to daylight. Our approach is to illuminate the scene with a cluster of sources that have different spectra and capture images using a conventional color camera. Instead of sequentially lighting the scene with one source at a time, we use a small set of multiplexed illuminations, where each one is composed of a subset of the sources. In our implementation, we have used a cluster of 144 LEDs. These LEDs belong to one of 5 types, each with a distinct spectrum. The 5 LED spectra interact with the 3 color channels of the camera to produce a total of 15 measurements at each pixel. Due to the limited dynamic range of the camera, only 9 of the 15 measurements can be used. To handle dynamic scenes, we multiplex our 5 LED types with distinct spectra to obtain 2 illuminations with new spectra. Using a search algorithm, these 2 illuminations were found to be optimal for recovering spectral reflectance. In this setting, we obtain just 6 measurements at each pixel. From these 6 measurements, we estimate the full spectral reflectance at each pixel using the Parkin basis functions. This is done by imposing regularization and using quadratic programming. Using a 60 frame per second camera, our system can produce multispectral video at 30 frames per second. We have also developed an interactive viewer to explore the spectral characteristics of a measured scene. Here we see RGB images of a scene with stuffed animals captured under incandescent light on the left and fluorescent light on the right. Here is the measured multispectral image. We can relight the multispectral image with fluorescent lighting to obtain a near-perfect match to the captured fluorescent image. However, by applying an RGB color transformation corresponding to fluorescent lighting to the captured incandescent image, we get an image that does not match the captured fluorescent image. In this example of flowers, we captured the RGB image on the right using an illumination with the spectrum shown on the left. We then captured RGB images of the scene using incandescent and fluorescent lighting. We applied RGB color transformations corresponding to the illumination spectrum shown above to the 2 captured images. Note that the colors of the flowers are distorted with respect to the ground truth. However, multispectral relighting yields an image that is almost identical to the ground truth. Here we show a multispectral video acquired for a dynamic scene. The 2 cups have milk with slightly different colors. Using this video, we can relight the scene with a wide range of illumination spectra, which are shown on the right. Notice how the 2 milks appear identical under certain illuminations, while the milk on the left appears redder for other illuminations. Here we see a multispectral video of a person talking where the illumination is white light. We relit this video with fluorescent illumination to obtain the one on the right. Now the multispectral video and the fluorescent video are relit using a variety of illumination spectra. The fluorescent video is relit using RGB color transformations. For some illuminations, we can clearly see that the appearance of the person is quite different in the 2 videos. Here the fluorescent and multispectral videos of the cheek of the person are relit using the lighting shown below. Under this lighting, the relit multispectral video reveals a star-shaped cosmetic patch on the cheek, which is not visible in the relit fluorescent video.